Hey there, a quick update. I just launched a brand new website, LetMeXplain.com. From now on, that's where I will be hosting all of my plugins and products. I also created a new channel, so if you're on this channel for my free plugins and products, then you should go and subscribe to that channel. Because from now on, I will be making those videos on that channel. And on this channel, I'm going to make some different type of content. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around. But if you are only here for free plugins, then that's completely fine. Just make sure to subscribe my new channel and unsubscribe this channel. I know it's a weird thing to say, but the thing is, if you stay subscribed and don't watch my content, that confuses the algorithm. I will be explaining this more on my next video on this channel. But for now, you can go and check out my new channel where I already uploaded a video on the last free plugin pack that I made a joke about on the 1st April. I was kinda joking but also kind of not. Go and check out that video here, or you can go through the link in the description. I think you are really going to like it what I have it in that video. Alright, that's all from me now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.